Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about a unique way to create an armature to support your flowers, and where you can design foam-free and have a very easy way of supporting your blooms so they stand upright. I start with a few U-glue dashes on the bottom, then using yarn. Start by sticking one spot down, leaving a little bit of a tail, then knot that so that it's not going to come undone. You don't want to trust just the glue. Then begin wrapping. And you can go around as many times as you'd like. Overlap, diagonal, crossing, come back. Keep it pulled taut. Then repeat again. And this time, as I'm getting to the end, bring it back and knot it with that original piece to make sure that it all stays. Knot it off. Tap it down to the glue. That helps hold it secure. Then you're ready to design, and each of the grids will hold the flowers upright.